Good morning. So today we're going to talk about something quite practical. We're going to talk about screen recording from a camera. So there are many times when you want to be able to record what's going on in the back of the screen and actually see what is actually happening on the screen. Now, there are wonderful pieces of hardware like the Ninja Atmos and other things like it. They all cost about 500 quid. They're all extra weight and it's just a bit of a pain. So there's a system that you can use which is really cheap, really easy and perfectly good quality. If you want absolutely pristine 8K capture, then this one isn't for you. Okay, so the first item you'll need is a video capture card like this one. I don't know if you can just about see that. Let's try and get that in frame in the camera. Anyway, that's up on the screen now. So the video capture card, this is an essential piece of kit that you need, and this is probably the most expensive. So this will set you back about kind of £10, something like that. Then you need a next bit is the cable. So there are two cables you need. So the first cable is a USB to USB-C. So you just plug that in like that, okay? Then you'll need this cable here. So you'll need a HDMI to mini HDMI. These cables, again, nice and cheap, nice and easy to pick up, okay? And what happens is this goes into the big HDMI, okay? And then this end goes into your camera, the HDMI end, and this end goes into your phone. So I'll show you that bit now. So you're going to need your camera, obviously, and then we've got these cables. Okay, now there are like two cables and an adapter, so it is a little bit clunky, but then again, it's a lot cheaper. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to in this particular bracket, this is a brilliant bracket from SmallRig, I'm just going to open this out a little bit so I can get at this section here. So, so this section in here is what I want to open up. So I'm going to go for my mini HDMI, if I can get there. Okay, so I'm just going to plug this into the side of my camera like this and just go into the size underneath my bracket and plug in there. Okay, so there's my camera set up for that bit. Then the next bit is you need to just plug your phone into the USB cable like this. Okay, so that's the essential kit that you'll need to make this work, along with a free app, and we can talk about that in a minute. But I just wanted to introduce you to two other pieces of kit that you can use if you want to mount this onto your camera. So here we've got a little Manfrotto clamp, and here we've got a cold shoe mount. Now what I'm going to do with them is this. I'm going to attach this onto this. So this just screws into this one, and then you can tighten it up with one of these nuts. Okay, now the other one goes onto the camera like this. Okay, and just going to get that straight, and then you can lock that down into place there. Now this holder is going to be holding the phone on top. So then just unlock that and pop this into position like this. Okay, and now I've got my phone attached to my camera. Now it's a little bit clunky, but it's basically doing a job of monitoring exactly what I'm seeing. Okay, so I've got my camera set up. So I've got my phone holder, my camera, and my phone. And obviously I can put it on here, but right now it's easier for me to hold it like this. Okay, so I'm going to put my camera down. So the first thing you'll need, so you've got all your leads, you've got that all set up and plugged in. You will need the USB camera app. It's brilliant. You just download it on iOS or Play Store, and it's very, very easy to install. So once you've installed it, you open it up. Now the first thing you'll see is a screen like this. If you turn your camera on, you should start recording. So now you can see that I can see exactly what my camera can see here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to press this record button, and you can see it starts the timing of a proper recording. And again, I can just record this from wherever I like. It does 1080p or 720, and it's perfectly good. I mean, I use it for, I don't do whole screen recordings, I just do partial recordings. Once you're finished, you just turn it off and it saves straight to your phone. So it's a really quick, easy and cheap way of screen recording. So if you like what you see today, then please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.